The clip-on air conditioner for car 2026 is one of those compact gadgets that instantly makes summer driving more comfortable, especially when you are dealing with intense heat inside the car. What stands out first is the portable clip-on design that makes installation quick and simple. Instead of taking up space on the dashboard or seat, it attaches securely where you need it, helping direct cool airflow exactly toward the driver or passengers. That small detail makes a huge difference during long trips or traffic jams, when regular car AC systems sometimes struggle to cool the entire cabin fast enough. Another thing that makes this portable car air cooler impressive is how lightweight and compact it feels. It is designed for convenience, which means you can easily move it between vehicles or even use it in other small spaces when needed. Despite the smaller size, the airflow output is surprisingly strong. The cooling effect feels refreshing almost immediately, especially when paired with ice water or cooling packs depending on the model setup. It creates a personal cooling zone that helps reduce discomfort during hot weather. The adjustable airflow settings are also a great feature because everyone prefers different cooling levels. Whether you want a gentle breeze or a stronger airflow during peak afternoon heat, the controls are simple and easy to use while driving. The noise level is another positive surprise. Many portable fans can become distracting inside a car, but this unit stays relatively quiet, making it suitable for road trips, commuting, or even rideshare drivers who spend hours behind the wheel. Build quality feels modern and durable for a portable device in this category. The clip mechanism holds firmly without constantly slipping, and the design blends well with most vehicle interiors. The compact appearance gives it a more premium feel compared to cheaper portable cooling fans currently available online. Power efficiency is another advantage because it does not place heavy demand on the car battery while still delivering consistent airflow performance. This 2026 upgraded portable car air conditioner is especially useful for older vehicles, compact cars, trucks, campers, or anyone who wants additional cooling without relying entirely on factory AC systems. It is also practical for people living in extremely hot regions, where car interiors heat up quickly after being parked outside. The portability means you can store it easily when not in use, and take it anywhere without hassle. Overall, the clip-on air conditioner for car 2026 delivers a smart combination of portability, cooling performance, easy installation, and convenience. It is an affordable way to improve comfort during summer driving, while keeping the cabin feeling cooler and more refreshing without complicated setup or bulky equipment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.